Hi, my name is Max Margarit, and in this course I will walk you through my complete workflow for creating aircraft concept designs with smooth and organic forms using a hybrid CFD and CAD approach. CAD modeling allows you to apply details to almost any surface with ease, but it also limits you to more boxy shapes. Poly modeling, on the other hand, gives you the flexibility to create smooth organic forms and tweak them with ease. But detailing them can become frustrating when working with topology. So here I'll combine the strengths of both ways and use each where it performs best. This course is meant for users who already know the basics of Plasticity, Blender, and CFD modeling, and want to learn how to elevate their skills. I'll cover my entire process, from assembling the reference board and building a blockout in Blender, which will be turned into our primary shape using subdivision modeling, and then refined and detailed in Plasticity. And finally, I'll guide you through my process of creating materials and setting up the scene for the final renders, and you will have access to the project files from each stage of the process. By the end of the course, we will have a clean, highly detailed aircraft concept with fully functional elements, ready to be used as a high poly asset for game production or directly in VFX projects.